Welcome to ITER Partners. In this video, we will see how a duty is executed after it is allotted and dispatched to our driver. Once a trip is booked and the operations team allot that particular trip to the driver will get a notification as ride assigned. Once he selects continue, he will be redirected to the upcoming trip. There, he can see the trip details, company name, and pickup and drop location. Now we can see the Start Duty option has come under that particular trip. You should click the Start Duty only when you are starting to go to the reporting address to pick up the guest. Just after clicking on Start Duty, a box will pop up on the screen regarding a basic sanity check which the driver has to ensure before starting the trip. Click on Submit. Here, the driver also has the option to navigate via Google Map navigation to that particular customer's location. Once the driver reaches the customer's location, he can select the I have arrived option. Once the guest comes and boards the car, the driver will slide the Start Trip tab to the right to start the trip with the correct OTP provided by the customer. Once it is verified, driver can start the duty. Even though the company will share the location, he can still utilize the navigation option by using the Navigate tab. On clicking the Navigate tab, the Google Map with the routing will come up and the driver can navigate with this map to reach the pickup location. We are providing an SOS option. Click on SOS if there is any emergency. Information will be sent to the emergency contact number as well as to the operation and admin team. Here is the option to call the customer, which is hidden from the driver. Drivers can see a company's official number due to customers' privacy. Sometimes, if there is an outstation journey, there are chances the trip can go on more than one day. So, in that case, the driver can pause the trip at night and resume the duty in the morning. During the pause trip timing, the driver's location won't be shared with the customer. After resuming, once the driver reaches the destination, he can end the trip. Driver can end the trip by entering the trip end OTP provided by the customer. Post this, the driver has to upload the toll and parking slips along with entering the details on the app. Driver can upload multiple toll and parking slips in the toll and parking option. He can also do this during his break before the guest is finally dropped. For example, if there is a toll of Rs 500, so first select the receipt type. Let's say toll. Enter the amount Rs 500. Upload receipt from gallery. Maximum 5 images can be uploaded during a trip. Click on Save. Follow the same steps for parking receipt. These charges will be added to the total amount. Now the operation team will provide the final toll and parking. And if there is any pending toll and parking charges, he can upload it. Double check the final invoice and then click on Submit. Now that particular trip is completed by the driver. To check the status of his completed trip, he can go to the corporate trip detail page. He can see the status of the trip as completed. So, this is how the driver and trip process will be worked on. Thank you.